Hello buddies, this is Usman, your IELTS instructor. In today's video, we are going to discuss IELTS Writing Task 2. In this video, I'm going to share with you a strategy by which you can understand the topic asked in Writing Task 2. Before I start this video, I would like to inform you that I'm offering online platform for IELTS preparation. So if you are looking for online classes, you can contact me in my inbox. And if you have not yet followed me, please click the follow button. Let's know how we should understand or should read this topic. So before you write, you should read the instructions. For example, you have 40 minutes for this task, and your main task is within these 4 lines. You are going to give reasons for your answer and include any relevant example from your own knowledge or experience, so you can ensure your band in your IELTS writing task 2 if you are going to give relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. So how you are going to understand this topic? You need to know that there are two parts of this topic. You will find two separate sentences. First of all, you can say, see, for example, the most important aim of science should be to improve people's life. So this is the topic about which you are going to write. You need to write at least 250 words, and you must have the prior knowledge, prior experience, or prior knowledge about this. You need to understand this topic fully. For example, you should know that how science is important for us and how science is helping us in our lives. So this is the complete thought which they will give you in first sentence. You need to understand this uh, sentence, because all of your essay will depend on your understanding. So the second part is which will tell you what structure you are going to follow for this essay. For example, you are seeing that to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement. So this second part will tell you what type of what type of essay you are going to write. It is agree disagree essay. You need to know that there are different types of essays which are asked in IELTS writing task 2. For example, you can see essays about advantages and disadvantages. Some essays may ask you about your opinion about something, or you can be introduced to some problem and you are required to suggest the solutions. So the second line will will give you the information about the structure of the essay. So it is agree or disagree. You can agree, you can disagree, or you can be partially agree or partially disagree. So you can go any way which you think is best for you. For example, it depends on the topic. Topic is about science and the importance of science for improving people's lives. So you can say that science has improved people's lives. How it has improved people's lives? You can give examples of transportation, communication, industry. Everywhere science is doing its work. So the main subject of the science is human life. So you can explain this information in a way that you agree with the statement. So if you want to understand the whole structure, if you want to understand that how you will get your relevant arguments, and if you want to know what is the real or perfect paragraph, because you need to write 250 words. It means you are going to write at least four paragraphs for this essay. So what is the definition of good paragraph? If you want to learn all these things, you can join my YouTube video or channel, where I have uploaded many detailed video about IELTS Writing 2 Task 2. I have written essays for you. You can learn all the tips and tricks to write this about this topic if you watch those videos. So if you have any question in understanding this topic, you can write your questions in comments. I will definitely answer your questions. So stay connected for learning more. Thank you.